His name is a byword in the Philippine music and entertainment industry. The Filipinos have grown up with his songs, played on the radio, and covered by other singers, professionals and amateurs alike. He is dubbed as the father of Philippine Christmas magic because as early as September of every year, his iconic Christmas songs are being played in different areas in the country. Jose Marie Chan, the true blue Atenean. Jose Marie Chan is an AB Economics graduate from Ateneo de Manila University. Currently, he is the chairman and CEO of the Binalbangan Isabela Sugar Company Incorporated and chairman and president of Signature Music Incorporated. But despite his busy schedule of running the family business, he always goes back to his first love, songwriting and singing.
We'll always remember watching busy shoppers rushing about in the cool breeze of December, sparkling lights all over town.
I'm busy running our sugar business, and it's a tough business, and I gotta spend a lot of time. But thank God my children are all helping me out in the business. They're all working for me.
We're at the afterglow of what we both do know as the spring.
Jose Marie Chan recorded and released his first single, Afterglow, in 1967. His first long-playing album, Deep in My Heart, was issued in 1969.
Deep in my heart, I love you.
In 1973, he represented the Philippines in the World Popular Song Festival in Tokyo, where his song, Can We Just Stop and Talk a While, made it to the finals.
Fancy meeting you alone in the crowd. Couldn't help but notice your smile, while everybody else around us is going about. Can we just stop and talk a while?
In 1989, he released his album Constant Chains. It was named Album of the Year by the Awit Awards, the local equivalent of the American Grammy Awards, and reached the diamond record in terms of sales.
Life is a constant change. The friends we know, we meet.
It is also sold in other Asian countries like Malaysia, Singapore, and Indonesia.
Form part of yesterday, 'cause life's a constant change.
In 1990, his Christmas album, Christmas in Our Hearts, was released. It reached triple platinum status that same year,
Whenever
eventually earning the Double Diamond Record Award in 1995. The significant popularity of his iconic Christmas songs during the holiday season earned him the title Father of Philippine Christmas Music.
Wherever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in their hearts.
In 2012, he released his 14th overall album, Going Home to Christmas. It was his second Christmas album after 22 years since Christmas in Our Hearts was released.
Can you hear the bells? Music from heaven, the good news they tell.
The latest album that I have is 5 years old. It's called Going Home to Christmas. And apart from that, I have not come up with a new pop album.
With a career that spanned 5 decades and a string of #1 hits, it seems there is no stopping for this music legend. But Jose Marie Chan thinks the music industry's landscape has changed, prompting him to refrain from recording new materials.
You know I do, there'll be no one else for me. Promise I'll be always true for the world and all to see. Love has heard some lies softly spoken, and I have had my heart badly broken. I've been burned and I've been hurt before.
The musical style has changed. The millennials go for a different type of music now. And I'm afraid that my music might be irrelevant to them.
Despite the absence of new recordings, however, Jose Mari Chan's classic compositions will definitely live forever in the hearts of his millions of fans. This Yuletide season, again, his Christmas songs reverberate on the airwaves.
I have one Christmas wish, and I've been wishing for that for many years now. The gap between the rich and the poor in our country is much too wide. That I wish that the gap would narrow, and I know that the effort has to come from the top, from the 1% that's rich. I think they should be able to filter down the prosperity to the poor, so that we don't have to make as much money as we want. We make less, but we are able to share the blessings with our brothers and sisters who have much less in life.
Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. This season may we never forget.
Recently, Jose Mari Chan serenaded the Cebuanos during the Ayala Center Cebu's Festival of Lights. My TV Cebu was given a special privilege to talk to this music icon up close and personal.
Be always in our hearts.
To the My TV listeners and the viewers, I hope one day I can have a longer interview in your show, and then we can share many more things together.
For Jesus, let him be the one to guide us as another New Year starts.
With cameraman Joel Noel, Dan de Luzon, My TV Cebu.
Be always in our hearts.